Welcome. If you're concerned about your privacy and want to prevent Google Chrome from accessing your photos and videos on your phone, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to block Chrome from accessing your personal media, ensuring your files stay private. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all the permissions and privacy options for your device. Next, scroll down and look for the section labeled Apps. On some phones, it might be called App Management. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now scroll through the list until you find Google Chrome. Once you spot it, tap on the Chrome app to open its settings. Here, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Permissions. This section shows you everything Chrome is currently allowed to access, including your camera, location, and, of course, your photos and videos. To restrict Chrome's access, look for photos and videos in the permissions list. Tap on it, and you'll see the option to deny access. Select Don't Allow. With this setting, Chrome will no longer be able to view or use any photos or videos stored on your device. That's it. You've now successfully blocked Google Chrome from accessing your photos and videos. This is a great way to add an extra layer of privacy and control over your personal data. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and change permissions at any time if you need to. Keeping your information secure is important, and managing app permissions is a simple but powerful step. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more privacy tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.